Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in central Texas, west central Alice County in north central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over El Dorado, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grandview around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Coyote Flats, Griffith, and Sand Flat. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 8 and 28. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill,